Hello and welcome. Time for another Elden Ring tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to beat the Crystalian in the Raya Lucaria Crystal tunnel. And so here is the location right here for the Raya Lucaria Crystal tunnel. And then when you get to the end, you are going to have to fight the Crystalian. And it could be a little difficult if you're not sure what weapon to use. So you want to use a blunt weapon. I'm using the mace, the spiked mace. And I do have Tish, so I'm just going to summon Tish, but you can use any summons here really, because the main thing is you want to have a nice blunt weapon like this mace. Do not use a sword, because it won't do very much damage. And then so you just go right up to the Crystalian, and as you can see I use the Wondrous Physics at first to take away that first hit. And then have your summon just kind of keep them busy. And you don't have to do a lot of like special moves on this one, just keep attacking it and finally you will shatter it. But it might take you a few tries if you are using a sword, but it's much easier if you use a mace like that. So there you go. Let me know if this helps you. Take care. Happy gaming, everyone.